Hey, what's going on guys, ADC Art Attack here and welcome back to a brand new video. This time we're drawing Gogeta from the new Praline movie. Now I know people are going to say to me, why did you just spoil it? But I think it is now out there. Unfortunately, some companies could not refrain from sharing the image of Gogeta in an advert on YouTube, I might add. So you didn't even have to watch a video, you could just see him immediately right there. All over Twitter, just no one's holding back, and it's quite upsetting because I was one of those people who was out of the loop on this movie. I avoided the marketing, I avoided the trailers, I wanted to go into this movie fresh, and to do something like this really upset me. And now that the cat is out of the bag, I think it's okay to do some artwork, I guess. Considering every YouTuber and their grandmother has begun doing some artwork on Gogeta, I figured I would get involved. So before I start ranting about a few things, I should mention that there will be a tutorial of this coming at a later date. It won't be this exact video, I will redraw this in a tutorial setting. I just gotta work out how I'm gonna do it because it is a very unique art style, and it's an art style I really like. And I mean, this is a cool art style. It goes right back to basics, and I am a big fan of basics. Now, I can do the heavy shadings and the cool styles and things like this, but the basic style, it's just beautiful. It's clean, and you know, if you've got a system and you've got something that works, why change it? So I'm really happy that they've done this, and I think it looks so good. The line work, oh, and I should mention, by the way, that some of this was done during a live stream. My live streams are going crazy right now. We had over, in fact, 250 people watching at any given time. It was really good live stream. So thank you all who joined those live streams. And I do have a shout out at the end for the donators of the live stream. So thank you all so much. So the line work of this, and as you're going to be seeing on screen during this, you're going to see my phone popping up a lot. The reason being is I was showing people my references, and I was actually showing them how I do this artwork. And this obviously was a practice. I'm just practicing because I want to do my own original Gogeta using this inking style and show you guys exactly what makes it tick. But yeah, I was using a reference for this, and I was using multiple actually. You might see on screen soon that I actually use Broly for one of them. And what I like to do when I do things like this is I don't just take a screenshot and draw it. I like to take a screenshot and then I watch the entire trailer, I grab multiple screenshots from multiple characters, multiple things, and I take a general style, a general animation flow that they've got going on, and I tried to combine it. So I do change a few things here that aren't in my screenshot, but for the most part, I tried to keep this as accurate with the mistakes and everything. I tried to keep it as accurate as I could. I just wanted it to look authentic, and that was the point of this. And going on to that authenticity that I'm talking about here, other artists, you guys doing all of this Gogeta right now, because a lot of you seem to want to do it, and I'm just curious why you're all drawing the old Gogeta with blue hair. It seems like a bit of a cash grab at this point. We all know how to draw the old Gogeta, but what's going on? Why aren't you drawing the new Gogeta, but you're titling it the new Gogeta? Because the new Gogeta has a different art style. So come on guys, don't be doing that. But yeah, that was my point anyway. I was just trying to tackle this, and I wanted to do this in a cool way and try to do it true to the source material and in this new style, because I think they deserve a little bit of respect, because this style is really good. And yeah, so with all that being said, guys, are you excited for the movie? I know I am. I'm extremely excited for the movie. I can't wait. Despite the spoilers that have been out there, I am still excited for the movie, and I can't wait to watch it. The new song Blizzard that everyone keeps telling me to go listen to, I have listened to it and I really like it. It's a really good song. So yeah, I do enjoy the song, and I can't wait for the movie. I just wish that some things were kept kind of secret and not put out there. But with that being said, guys, I do hope that you enjoyed the rest of this video, and you yeah, do like the drawing at the end. Stick around and, you know, sit through the video, see me drawing it. I actually, at the end of this video, I kind of glossed over it a little bit, but I did use my airbrush gun to do the background. So I tried to keep it in line with the animation that we saw in the trailers. So yeah, see what you think about it. I think it's pretty good. I do like the results of this drawing. So see what you guys think about it, and let me know in a comment down below. Leave a like on the video. If you are new around here, don't forget to subscribe as well. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Take it easy. Bye-bye.